Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix headphone detection issue on Nubia RedMagic 10 Air. So first, before hopping onto the phone, check the physical condition of your Bluetooth headphones because there's no 3.5mm jack in the phone. So make sure that the Bluetooth is on. And now that your headphones are paired, and if they're connected, then you should see a small icon right here on the status bar. And if you do not see it and they're not connected, then what you guys can do is restart your phone, because sometimes a quick reboot can they'll resolve those glitches, including headphone detection issues. So click restart, touch to restart again, and now give a phone a few seconds. It will turn on pretty fast, so you don't have to wait. Now, as you guys can see, the phone is ready to go. And now you can try different headphones if this didn't work. So for Bluetooth, try connecting to another Bluetooth device to see if the issue is isolated through the phone or through the headphones themselves. Here you can basically check what's faulty. Is it your Bluetooth headphones or is it the phone? So now if none of that worked still, then what you guys can do is check for hardware issues. So if they aren't connecting properly, then there could be an issue with your Bluetooth chip, so it may require some repair. Now, as for the last resort, because you cannot do anything here, then simply go over the settings. Now go over the system and update, click the system and update, and check if you have the latest software update, because if not, then maybe that's where the glitch came from. So make sure to run the latest updates of your software, just like me. And if that still didn't help, then here's the last and final resort, which is the reset options, and click factory reset, so erase all data. Before that, also make sure to back up your phone, as you guys can see, but you need a Google account signed in. So click reset options, erase all data. Now click once, and then click second one. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching, and if none of that helped, then visit a professional technician for a more professional diagnosis. So see you guys. Bye.